In this video you will learn how to unsend Instagram message on Instagram. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to unsend a specific message on Instagram, you have to follow this video, but before starting the video make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's jump in. So first you have to open Instagram application. Now I will go to the specific creator to which I have sent a message recently. So make sure to keep in mind one thing, that you can unsend a specific message which you have sent short time ago. You cannot unsend that message which is sent by you long time ago, but you can try your luck. So for example, I will go to this page and I will go to the profile section. Now I will click on the message, and if I want to send a message, and then I will click on unsend. So first I have to send a message. Now I have my heart message is sent. Now I will click and hold this heart message, and I will click on the unsend, which is on the bottom middle side of the page. And now so this message is unsent. Now this is the simple process of unsending a DM or message on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.